Hi everyone. Have you ever asked an question to AI and it responded very generic? So the problem is not AI, it's a prompt. So let's learn how to write a better prompt today. There's a single formula that you can use for almost any task. Okay. So first thing is role. So you have to define an AI expertise and persona for the talks. You have to tell the AI that what it is, what exactly it is. Okay, and then the task, you have to mention a task, so what it should do for you. So this is a task. And then context. Context is the information that you have, that you can give to the AI, that whatever the information that you have. Okay, then the format, in which format the answer you are expecting, that's what you need to tell in the format. There are use these four rules, then you can almost get a very accurate results that you are expecting. So for example, okay, so I want a business idea. So this question is too generic, if you enter this, you'll get very basic answer. See, it's giving some random answers, that it's very generic. You don't know because you did not told any other information. Okay. The more context that you will get, a more results. Okay, so let's ask one more question. um, Write a blog post about digital marketing. So it will write something like this, which you might not need it. So for a better output, let's try this time with these four rules. Okay, so first one is role. You have to define what it is. Okay, role, you can just simply mention role here, then tell that what it is. You are digital marketing consultant. Okay, then task, what it should do for you. Okay, so you I want you to write a blog post about email marketing. Okay, so this is task. And then you need a context now, so you can tell here whatever the information that you have. For suppose you want to target I want to target get startup owners. Okay, then now we have to tell the format. You can skip this if you don't want. uh, Give me the answer in bullet format. uh, that's enough. So if you hit enter, you can see very related information. Okay, so for example, let's ask one more question. Okay, using these four rules. First one is role. You are an startup, no, let's okay, startup advisor. So let's say I want to ask a business idea. Okay, so let's ask in our way. Now we have to tell that task, what task you want the AI to perform. I want 5 business ideas for startup. Okay, then you have to tell context. So now you can give the context, like what are the additional information that we have for your startup. Okay, so I have $50K. Okay, so I want to start uh, I I want to start an online store. Okay, context, it's related to what type of online business that you are looking for, or any online startup. Okay, so this is the additional information that you can provide. Okay, then what format you want? Give me answer in table format. It will exactly give you the suggestions, okay, based on your need. Okay, so this way you can get an accurate response for any AI. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching.